Hey. Eddie, Ade, we do ni. Quickly rub it off. Don't you know he'll think you are cheap? Huh?
But Ma, a little makeup.
No wonder you young people of today are not able to keep a man. Be quiet outside and hot inside.
Ma!
Sit down. Do you think keeping a man like that is easy? Sit down. Don't rush. It's too early, huh? Keep him waiting for a while. But when you enter the car, kiss him.
Ma!
On the cheek. He will look for more. And then push him away gently. But with a twinkle in your eye. Now go get your bag and go. You like it?
Very delicious.
Good. I'm glad you like it. So take some more, okay? Now that you are married, you need to be strong for your husband. So eat some more.
Mommy, why will you stop that?
When you stop calling me, mommy. Huh? A man who eats well at home does not stray. Eat.
Yes, mommy.
Besides, I need my grandchildren now. You can start with triplets.
Oh, mommy. I just want 2 kids.
3 triplets, then a set of twins. Okay. I'm finished with 1. Come on,
yes,
take
mommy.
some more.
Oh, mommy, I'm okay.
No.
I'm okay.
Bring it.
Oh,
bring it.
Mommy,
Bring it.
It's too much. It's too much, Mom.
You need to be strong.
It's too much.
Eat it. You need it.
And Mommy, how is Auntie Julie? How is she?
Forget about your friend and her husband. Let's talk about you and your husband. Eat. You need the strength. Your husband is strong.
Mommy.
Wait.
Mommy, with this.
Tell me. Your husband is strong, isn't he?
Yeah.
So you need to be strong. Come on, go ahead. Eat.
Oh, yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Good.
Okay.
I'm serious.
Woo.
You mean every day? Sometimes yes.
Then your husband is lucky.
Say that again.
With me, I will still be lucky to have it once a month. I mean, cruelty day.
I hardly do it.
And I still know, so he doesn't try that nonsense.
Why? Don't you like it?
Yeah, but sweetheart, the kids, the house chores.
We're talking about sex here and marriage.
Energy.
Are you a sex maniac? I am energetic. I am Grace. Have you forgotten?
Woo.
Grace. Something like sex. So, I can give it to him anywhere, anyhow, anytime.
In fact, you really should me.
Who are you calling? In fact, I'm talking to you, who are you calling? Do you always have to come here and receive a call?
Hold on, sweetheart.
Why are you doing that?
I told you that my phone has the best reception.
What are you talking about? Reception?
90%.
Listen, who have you been calling? You always come here and have to don't tell me to hold it. Don't tell me to hold it.
Why are you always nagging like this?
Nagging?
Can't you trust me just for once, please?
What did you do last night? I'm asking you. What did you do last night? You always come here to talk to your so-called girlfriends. Believe me, the next time I'm going to see this, I wouldn't be cool with you.
Later, okay?
You heard me.
I'm not in a good mood to talk about this thing. Okay,
oh,
please.
You are not. Oh my gosh! Did he just? Simpson?
We all come to this world with some limiting factor. Parents, siblings, friends, and the like either serve to increase or diminish our worth. At the end of the day, however, we are masters of our own destiny.
What do you care? Get out of my way.
Hey, stand there. You've been with a woman.
Look at you. I mean, what is your problem? Listen, if you don't want it, somebody wants. Okay? If you don't like it, somebody likes it. Look at you.
And where do you think you're going?
My member's Auntie.
Where do you think you are going? Look at the time.
I'm going to sleep. Please, woman. I'm so tired. My member's Auntie.
You and then Mr. Yendane. You quiet, you're very young in a view. Yenda, no, dear.
A movie kitchen, of beef and chicken.
Hey, and for some chicken, no. For some come in Bediani. Hey! Me to waste my chicken on you and your father? What do you do in this house?
We tidy the place.
Shed your chair. All you do is run around like dogs.
Oh.
And run amoye. Eh?
Oh.
If the enemy come out, so for them to blessings. What did they make it?
Miss blessings need.
Sir, Mr. Fansanka, me the blessings. Eh? Oh, what's that smell? My God, Jojo, it's coming from you. Jojo. Oh, Jojo, why? Jojo, are you crazy? When was the last time you bathed?
We have been bathing.
Who bomb papa? Jojo, come on, clear off. Go and have your bath. Go and have a bath. Who can? Hey, wait, bruh. When you go, fill the bath and then lie in it for 3 hours. Soak yourself before you bath. What? Come get out of it. Come here. Hey. What is that? Rosary. Who's a rosary? Who can inside this rosary? Who be kun yesu? Who be kun? Come on, remove it. Who can say a breachy brema? A popo said there, your friend. Get out. Go. Hey! Jojo, hey, wait. Share bath no. Go net them 3 hours. Soak you home. Negari na hunye yi kakra. I had you only nam ho say who can kind be or they call. Ah!
Pama.
You to where are you from?
The way you talk to Jojo.
So now you tell me how to talk to my own son. What person tell me saying that me bankasa?
Ma, you know he's in a very fragile situation. Please feel the way you talk to him.
Hey! So now you are blaming me. What about your father? What about your father?
Ma, please leave that out of this.
Hey! I should leave that out of... Always quick to his defense. And yes, sir, you are always defending him. If you knew the kind of man your father...
Please! Leave that out of this. How can we solve our own problems if we keep on playing the blame game?
Yay! Quick to his defense. And yes, sir. I won't blame you. I won't blame you. You are in the university. So you think you know it all. And yes, sir. You are not in the university. Hey, come here. Don't you dare walk out on me. Should you know? Saskatchewan. Papa na onam na ohu di obeya no nonsense student on be here. Mama be your funny sanke duane no. We dey call blessings. Where's Osofo?
Don't you think you're wasting too much time and effort on this Osofo? Well, he's at the back.
Hey, Onipa a bad Papa Abiba.
Grace,
so you are keeping this man here and you are telling me I'm wasting my time on him.
So what's the Onipa about? Well, there is something. I really don't know.
Hey. When you're the Obenya, do the Jano, and don't come and spoil it for the rest of us.
Grace,
look at how your shop is booming.
And I'm the young queen in here.
I don't understand you. Your shop is grown. And
Go and sin no more.
Thank you, Osofo.
You are blessed.
Osofo, thank you.
Yeah, hallelujah.
Thank you, Osofo.
Go and sin no more. Oh, glory.
Osofo, I brought you food.
Sir Abiba. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Ooh, Rabaka. Oh, Shabbat. Shabbat.
Yes.
Oh, sure. Yeah, you are blessed. Whoosh.
Are you crazy? Huh? What's wrong with you? Do you want to spoil the game?
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? See, you are so obvious. Huh? Grabbing that woman's boom. Abiba has become suspicious.
How do you know?
And how can you tell? See, you are so soaked in sinful delight you can't even tell. Why are you doing that?
Danger.
Shh, 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 shh.
Do I smell envy?
Envy? Oh, no. It's just operational efficiency and discipline. That's all.
What?
Oh, never mind. That is why I am in charge here. Now listen. I have just received intel on that woman's son. And this is what you do.
You're welcome. Thank you. Osofo, I brought you lunch.
Oh, really? That's great. God will surely bless you.
Amen.
Hey,
Hey, who you don't know who? Fufu ni bunu pa. Ni akwe bi nwa bibia. Osofo open apple fi.
sharp.
Heavy one.
Kota ofi China.
Akwe powerful. Who you don't know who you be one?
Praise the Lord. I need to bless you on that.
Did you mommy? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Hallelujah.
Amen. Jesus.
Hallelujah. There is no night there. That Jesus Christ is our light, and we need no other light. Hallelujah. There is no night there. Ali Bariheri, Ilibori, receive it, woman. You are blessed. You are blessed. Ilibori, hey Juventus, hey Sacrabonde, hey. Whoa! Woman, I have a dream. Oh, I have a dream. Oh, I have a dream that your son Jojo will start bathing again.
Hey, you when did you have the dream?
Shh, be still, woman. Be still, woman.
Me ba wait there. Also, funny, baby. Send an while fin on. Just here soaking in 3 days. And son of what on?
Don't disturb the spirit. Don't disturb the spirit. Shh, be still.
Hey!
I have a dream your son will start bathing again.
Oh, God, you are great.
Talata semena to edware ho.
Jesus.
Labahi.
Oh, sofo mensia wanka. Se mensia sofo.
I have seen him. Oh, on the bucket in the bedroom. For bucket here, Dario. I hear you ho kakra. You are blessed. You are blessed. You are blessed. Juventus.
Hey, don't kill us. Hey,
A cipher?
Fear
A
not.
cipher jail cell?
Fear not.
You don't recognize me, I?
Fear not.
It is Kato. The cripple you healed 5 years ago at Tartha.
Cripple?
Not this one, the middle one.
At the market square.
Exactly. Oh, Asafu, so happy to have found you. Asafu. Oh, I've been looking all around for you, Asafu. I returned from the United States of America just a month ago. God damn it.
You have greatly changed.
Indeed. All your prophecies.
Praise be to God.
Hallelujah.
Asafu, I have a surprise for you.
Really?
The car over there is yours.
Me? Oh, no.
God damn it, Asafu. God damn it, Asafu. God damn it, Asafu. God damn it, Asafu. Don't say no.
Gentlemen,
No.
in my father's house are so many, plenty, much more big, enormous, and gigantic chariots.
Also, no, this one accept it.
Ow! Suffer. Suffer. Did you just say no?
Yes.
We are on this earth. You've been praying for my prosperity and that of Auntie Grace's. Why then do you deny yours?
Hey.
Suffer. Think twice.
Suffer. Any mistake. You can.
The burden of the cross I carry. My vow of poverty sustains me.
Let's see.
Auntie Grace. Skido, you have shown gratitude. A virtue many do not possess.
Oh, Debbie, I'm very grateful. Whatever you do for me, I'm grateful and I'll always be grateful.
Sister Boate, you know, I need to reject this beautiful gift. But I'll however take a ride in it. Hey, Skido, give me a ride.
Oh, also, what about the food? Oh, I use fresh chicken. Oh, my please, me too. Also, food.
It is good to give, for you shall be given.
Amen.
Gentlemen, please come. Just come.
Also, for fresh chicken, I'm using you.
Auntie Grace, it is good to give. You see, pick up that basket. You know what? Go to Emisa Square. You will find a couple of beggars there. Give them food. Give my people food. Go right away. You are blessed, daughter of Zion. Hallelujah.
Bye-bye.
You are blessed.
Bye-bye. Abiba, the man is genuine. Let me guy here. He healed the cripple. Our broochery. Obianko Pacho. Why? Miss Yapa, you bring your shit. Yapa, you be Bianco. Me, Miss Me be Bia. Me, the session. Me, the Bama. What up? Me, the Bama. Says a year. And young Mianca, my to my patron. Yantu ni Sadia. Oh yeah, papa finya me ho. Me se me body nyina me hunam nyina me be senimu.
The world is made up of all manner of people. The good, the bad, the ugly, all exist side by side. Exploitation, belief, wisdom, faith, intelligence, instincts, and interesting metrics.
Whenever no mental gymnastics.
You can say that again.
Askido! I am the man you will love to hate.
Askido! You see, oh my dream, you bet damn it, now, when you're not getting my moguli, I'm busy. You're the vorticals. Yeah, you're
stomach conference. Stomach conference. Hey!
Aside from just
it's a hit! Hey!